China's stock market is hot, trading near a 7-year high, and many investors had hoped to gain more access to that country. But that might have to wait a little bit longer. Late today, indexing giant MSCI said it expects to include mainland China shares in its emerging market index, only after remaining issues related to market accessibility have been resolved. And this decision comes even as stock investing within China becomes more popular, even in rural farm towns. Eunice Yoon has more.
They say money doesn't grow on trees, but apple farmer Liu Zhangguo is learning that it does grow in the stock market. From his remote village in western China, Liu invested more than $8,000 into the Shanghai Index 6 months ago, a sizable portion of his life savings. It's a lot easier to make money from stocks than farm work, he says, but it's risky. You can earn $1,600 in 10 minutes and lose it all in the next.
Hundreds here are buying into the Shanghai market for the first time, so much so that the villagers have set up a mini stock exchange center so they could monitor their investments minute by minute.
The villagers started plowing their savings into stocks after one heard about the market craze on a visit to a nearby town. He returned and spread the word to farmers here like grocer Wang Li. My advice is to follow the country's economic development and government policies, she advises, and read the news every day. She told me she started with $820 in 2010 and grew her portfolio 40 times over to more than $33,000 today. She's known by the locals as the stock market goddess, obsessively checking quotes of listed companies like Bank of China. With the Chinese government supportive of stock investing, Liu says he has a bullish long-term view, though he's still getting used to the highs and lows. He says the farmers now only tend to their fields outside of market hours. I've made some small profit and gained experience, he says, but I feel anxious when my investments aren't doing well. Anxious that something could one day upset the apple cart. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Eunice Yoon in Nanliu Village, Shanxi Province.